Hey. Today, I got slime, fantasy slime. This is the first time that I got actual slime, because the only slime I had was 2 Nickelodeon slimes from the store. This is a big deal for me. I'm gonna open it, but not look inside. I want to be surprised. This is the packaging it came in. This one feels small, so this is a free one that I got. I'm not looking! What did I get? Oh, Poopoo! What is this? But it has no name, so I don't know what it is. What the? This smells like Dr. Pepper. You wanna smell it, Britter? Is it Dr. Pepper? What the? First time touching actual slime, not from the store. Oh, this feels good. Alright. Oh, look at the way it came out, unlike store-bought slimes where it comes out in pieces. No. Oh man. Oh, kinda rude. Oh man, this thing feels cold, just like a cold soda.
What's that?
I like how the smell isn't strong. The Nickelodeon slime kinda hurt my head. Sort of inflated. So that was the free one. I can't close it yet. Next slime. I'm not looking. Whew. The next slime. This is the bread one. Garlic bread. I got all of them in 8 ounce because I don't want no little ones. This is the biggest size they had. Alright, let's see. Oh! It smells like a candy version of it. Not like actual garlic bread. Maybe it will smell like actual garlic bread once I mix it. What would it smell like to you, Britter?
Popcorn butter?
I guess that's just the top. Wait. I want to just feel the top. I don't want to mix it yet. Oh, this is sizzly! Whoa! Oh, this slime is sizzly! Wait, I want to feel the bottom texture by itself. Man, look how it came out! Looks good.
Oh my god, you guys are so good.
This smells like bread. This part.
Oh,
It smells like bread! What the? Oh, let's see this one. What kind of texture is this? This is smooth. Is this butter slime? I don't know. What the? This feels like I'm playing with bread though. Okay, let's mix it.
Don't
How should I mix it, brother?
mix it.
I regret mixing it. I missed that second layer of bread. I'm gonna have to buy it again just to add the second layer. Okay. Let's put this on top and mix it. Okay. Oh, what's it gonna turn into? Does it turn into sizzly slime? This one doesn't have that many pops, but it's sizzly and it feels good.
Now it smells like garlic bread.
You can smell it. Is it strong?
No, but it smells like far away, my mom's cooking spaghetti and putting the garlic bread in the toaster oven.
Oh,
Doesn't smell like that to you?
yeah? Looks like it inflated. Oh. It inflated! It inflated this much. Next slime. Oh! This is the cherry cola. Ooh, smells like cherry cola.
Yeah.
This is the cherry cola slushy. Let's take it out.
Slushy, not soda?
No, it's a slushy.
No,
What?
it ripped.
Well, yeah, it's not mixed yet. Trying to take it all out in one piece. Ooh, that looks like the ice in the soda. It smells more like it now. Ow, this hurts. It's not mixed yet. Yeah. Yeah, it smells more like cherry cola now that it's all mixed up.
Doesn't rip anymore?
No. Oh, these beads kind of hurt, but I like the sounds. It does. Good. Alright, next slime. Next is the freshly squeezed orange juice. And I love my orange juice. Made my tooth yellow and then it fell out. Oh my! This does smell like it. I want some orange juice now.
No!
You think it smells good? Alright. Oh, what the? It feels like it has pulp in it.
Are they all different?
It's like real.
textures?
Yeah. What the? Whoa! That looks good. I don't know what texture this is, but let's see if it makes pop noises.
It's like very sugary tang.
Oh my! It smells like Tang. Whoa. Oh, this texture feels so different. It sounds kind of sizzly. I think that's what the pulp pieces are. I don't know, guys. I'm new to slime because all I watch is Sakwa.
안녕하세요, 사과입니다.
This one is the one that inflated a lot. This is the least favorite. And then the orange one. It's one of your basic slimes with a unique texture. Then it's the garlic one, garlic bread. It's a little sizzly, more than the orange one. And it feels like I'm playing with dough. And my favorite, cherry cola. I love crunchy slimes. It does hurt playing with it. You get used to it after a while and it doesn't hurt. But I love the sounds and the smell, and it looks like actual cherry cola with tiny bits of ice in it.
Please subscribe to me. I don't want to continue going to college. I don't like it there.
I want to be a YouTuber. And please send money to my PayPal so I could finally get a regular editing program. Please, I need a laptop. So that's all the slimes. Bye bye.